Hey everyone and welcome. If you've been searching for a direct button to send money from PayPal straight over to Cash App, you've probably noticed that the feature doesn't exist. Because they are major competitors, they don't natively integrate. But there's an incredibly easy workaround to bridge the gap using the Cash App debit card, which lets you move your funds almost instantly. So guys, to get started, you're going to need your physical or virtual Cash App debit card details. If you don't have your physical card on you, just open up Cash App, tap on the card tab in the bottom menu and copy your card number, expiration date and CVV from the back. Now open your PayPal and navigate to your wallet. Tap on the bottom of the screen. Then tap the plus sign text, sign next to banks and cards and select debit cards. Enter your Cash App card information exactly as it appears. Once saved, PayPal will recognize your Cash App account as a linked debit destination, giving you a direct pipeline between the two apps. And then once they are successfully linked, transferring money is incredibly easy. So from PayPal, tap on your available balance, select Transfer Funds. Then tap on the option that says Transfer to your bank. You'll be given two processing speeds, Instant or Standard. Just choose Instant, it's the best. Select your newly linked Cash App card, enter the exact amount you want to move, and hit Confirm. And the money will bypass your bank entirely and land directly in your Cash App. Enjoy quite a straightforward process. If this helps, like and subscribe.